Students, welcome back. This is the topic of this chapter, the Indus Valley Civilization. The town planning. The town planning. The first point in the town planning is cities were built according to a well-designed plan. The cities were divided into two main sections, the citadel and the lower town as a protection against flood. Second point is Indus people were primarily urban and their cities were designed skillfully. Third, houses were not allowed to encroach upon the streets. Now, Indus Valley Civilization में टाउन प्लानिंग जो था उसको काफी स्किलफुली रूप से तैयार किया गया था and now the next topic is the drainage system. Drainage system was elaborate. The house drains were connected to the underground main drains which opened into large brick culverts and the outlines of the city. Second, a brick line drainage line flowed alongside every street. Third, a systematic drainage system in every city shows that the people paid great attention to sanitation and health. ड्रेनेज सिस्टम उस समय इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के जो पीपल थे वो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम्स को भी काफी अच्छे तरीके से फॉलो करते थे एस्टैब्लिशमेंट में, उनको बनाने में। वो एक सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से ड्रेनेज सिस्टम को सिटीज के अंदर रन करवाते थे और वो उनके साथ साथ उनके सैनिटेशन और अपने हेल्थ के प्रति भी काफी जागरूक थे, अटेंटिव थे। Now the next topic is the dwelling house. The dwelling house were situated on either side of the streets. They were made of the burnt bricks and higher quality. The house had wells and bathrooms and were provided with covered drains connected with the street drains. Dwelling houses में इस तरीके के हाउस बनाए जाते थे जिसमें बाथरूम्स को काफी अच्छे तरीके से स्ट्रीट के साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया जाता था और उसको हमेशा कवर किया जाता था। उस समय में हाउसेस में वेल्स भी होते थे। नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द ग्रेट बाथ. इट कंसिस्टेड ऑफ एन ओपन quadrangle with verandas on its four sides and at the back of the three of the verandas various galleries and the rooms. There was a large swimming enclosure in the center of the quadrangle. Quadrangle since होता है, it is called the rectangular shape. उस समय में ग्रेट बाथ जो होता था वो क्वारेंटेगल से यानी कि रेक्टेंगल शेप में बना होता था जिसमें चारों साइड से बरांडा होते थे और उसमें गैलरीज को भी दिया गया था जिसके साथ रूम भी अटैच किए हुए थे. देयर वाज ए लास्ट स्विमिंग, इसमें एक स्विमिंग पूल भी एनक्लोजर किया गया था. Now the next topic is the assembly hall. It was probably the ruler's court or used as the municipal office. It was a pillared hall with long corridors and law benches. Assembly hall that means it is called the ruler courts और used in the municipal office. ये एक रूलर्स कोर्ट के रूप में और म्यूनिसिपल ऑफिस के रूप में यूज किया जाता था इसका. It was a pillar wall with long corridors and law benches. Now each and every society belonging to some groups. Now the social life related to the Indus Valley people. Which type of social life? Society was based on class division. It considered of four main classes. There are the learned class, the warrior, the traders and artisans, and the laborer class. Each and every society are divided into three classes generally, and now the Indus Valley Civilization society are divided into four class. Now the first class, the learned class, the warrior class, traders and artisans class, and the laborer class. Now which type of diet are taking the Indus Valley people? Now the fruits, vegetables, wheat, milk, meat, beef, etc. are the main diet of the people. Cloth, shawl and dhoti are the main cloth of the people. Cotton fabric were used. They knew weaving and spinning, art of stitching. Women wear a fan-shaped headdress covering their hair. Precious stones were used like gold, silver, copper, etc. Dicing was a popular game. Now, in the next class, we discuss the next topic.